Good afternoon, guys, and what's on the table today? What's on the table today, guys? I have a subscriber that sent me a message that wanted me to show him how I added the clips to the new door that I put on that vehicle that had chrome molding at the bottom. This is how I received it, and this year I will make a template for this out of acrylic. I just haven't had time. So many projects this summer, so many custom vehicles. It was so much that I didn't have time to get this on the laser cutter or the CNC machine to make a template that I can start selling, so I can show you how I did it. So this is an old door skin from the door, and the old door skin had the pegs in it to put the clips on. If you can see, I don't know if this is the proper way it goes, but I'm just slapping it on there so you can see the way it goes. So it has the holes in the door right here, and that's just it's a bracket in the molding, in the chrome molding that goes right here, and then that one just screws in, and then it has its pegs. So when I was doing restoration down south, all the older vehicles that I worked on at my shop down south had chrome molding in it. So I knew what I needed to put here on a door, on the new doors that didn't have these pegs in them. So what I do, I order the chrome molding screws from a 72 Impala. So let me put my phone down for a second. So let me see if I can get one of these screws out of the bag without having to put the phone down. Hold on, guys, I'm trying to get it up. Hold on one second. It's just so quick, it ain't easy to do it this way. So this is a special screw that's actually made just like the peg that you can see right there. This is a special screw for molding and chromes that's on the old GM models. So if you can look at the peg head in there, and this is the same depth that screw is and how much it sticks out. So once I have to put new doors on vehicles, I use these. I just drill a little hole in it. Hold on, guys, let me put this back down again. I drill a little hole in the door, and then I put epoxy primer in the hole, and then I paint the hole. And then what I do when I stick this screw in, I put a little weather strip, or not weather stripping, I will put a little butyl on here, and then so when I put a hole in the new door, it's painted all the way through. And then on the new door, I went in the backside and I coated the backside so no rust to come through on this. So that is the screw that I ordered from a 72 Caprice that I always been using these for years if you have to put a new door on a vehicle. All right, let me put the screw in so I don't use it, because I need these screws actually for another chrome molding installation install on the vehicle. And the clip I have in my hand is just the old clip that I keep just for referencing points. So this is the template. So I laid this template on the door, and what I did, then I poked, sorry guys, I laid the template on this door, then I poked where the head of it at, and then what I did, I took a straight edge to make sure I was straight all the way down on this template I made, to make sure I put these in the right spot on the door. So how I do it, I clamp this side on this side, and then I use a double-sided tape magnet on this side to hold it in when I put these on, and then they are perfectly straight to the ones that's still on the body of the vehicle. I have done this a couple of times, plenty of times, when it's the G body, the Regal and the Cutlass is getting new doors and they have that chrome molding at the bottom. So alright guys, that's a quick episode of what's on the table today, showing you how to install, putting the chrome back on these doors. This is just an old clip, it's broken. I just use it for a reference point, and you can still get the chrome on your new doors. Lock it in and it still be the same as if you was putting it in. So putting the chrome on your doors. And the reason I have this door skin, because I reskinned the door. I reskinned a good door with the new skin, so that's why I use the skin. And this is, and you see the tape that I have on the door. I use these to show my son is training and buffing, so I let him work on this door to get his buffing on before he performs it on anybody else's car. So this is his test piece. All right guys, that's a quick episode of what's on the table today. Josh, this is for you. Hopefully you catch this vehicle. Hopefully you catch this video and you can see how I did it. But I will be making this out of acrylic this year. I'm going to start mass producing these. And then I have another part that I'm going to make for mirror painting for the G bodies. When you take the mirrors off, I have a jig that I made where you can hold it in your hand like this and paint G body mirrors also. All right guys, that's a quick episode on the table today. I'll catch you guys later. You guys be blessed and stay safe.